Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Montgomery County in central Maryland, Rappahannock County in northwest Virginia, Warren County in northwest Virginia, northwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, Clark County in northwest Virginia, northwestern Madison County in northwest Virginia, Page County in northwest Virginia, southern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, Loudoun County in northern Virginia, Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 4 o'clock p.m. At 2:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from Berryville to Stanley and were moving east at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lamont, Round Hill, Purcellville, St. Louis, Sperryville, Keene, Leesburg, Oatlands, The Plains, Lansdowne. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Damaging wind gusts with this line of storms will occur far ahead of any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking shelter. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Small hail also may accompany this line of storms. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for